Hello.
Hello, is this Pili Khadki Studio?
Yeah.
Yes, I saw your recent shoot on Facebook. My name is Happy Singh Sidhu. I'm calling from Balle Balle magazine.
Okay.
Madam, I want to inquire about your studio for rental.
What do you want to shoot?
Balle Balle magazine, have you heard of magazine?
No, I've not heard. So.
Okay, we are a Punjabi focused magazine on bikini models.
Okay.
So we typically have a simple one piece, two piece, three piece, depending on how large a model is. We
Okay.
are, you know, Punjabi women, yeah, they have big hips.
Okay. Okay.
Can I ask you something, madam? Would you be interested?
Yeah, definitely. Why not? Yeah.
No, would you be interested in modeling for us?
No, actually, I'm very good in behind the camera. I mean,
Think of publicity you'll get. We'll have you in a bikini. We'll have you eating a chicken tikka or something like that.
yeah, but the thing is that I don't do bikini shoots and all, and the thing is that I plus don't eat non-veg, so that's how it is.
Full confession: we have taken your face from your DP and photoshopped and sent it to our client.
No, I mean you cannot do such things.
Can I get your permission to use your Photoshop pictures, please?
No, sir.
I am requesting you very humbly to please let me do this so that
No, sir. No.
Madam, please, I have two
No,
children.
sir, no. This is not acceptable, and if you're going to do such things, then I can go and complain to the police.
To be fair, even the police will watch this. Even they will like this.
Okay, then fine. Then okay, I'll just go to the police station, and let's meet over there, and let's have the fun over there.
Why would you want to go to police, ma'am? We can just give you some money and
No.
get it over with.
No, now you just see. You are gone now. No, this is really not acceptable, and I am gonna complain about this.
Madam, please, we are very sorry from Balle Balle magazine. We are.
No, this is not acceptable. I'm gonna complain.
Madam, I have to tell you that our Balle Balle magazine is known as the Punjabi Playboy.
This is not done. What if your wife or your student or any of your daughters say such things?
Madam, I have used my wife in modeling many times.
Yeah, because you're cheap. That's why.
No, there's nothing wrong with it.
This is not how you play with someone's emotions right now, okay?
2 lakhs.
I don't give a shit. What the hell are you? Cheap?
3 lakhs.
Hi sir, I am from the visa application department.
Okay, hi.
You've applied for the student visa to the US, am I correct?
Yes.